Hello, my friends. In today's session, I'm going just to have fun with watercolors. I know this actually my album, my sketchbook is not convenient. It's not suitable to watercolors, but never mind. I try to make some shapes just for fun, just to get some interesting shapes with and proceed to develop them to some creatures. I don't know what will be in the end, and but I think it is fun exercise to just develop your fantasy, to develop your just imagination, and that's it. So after a while, of course, I have to wait a little to just to dry watercolors because they are based on water, of course, on water, and they are watercolors. And after that, I just grab my pencil and add some details to the drawing, to each shape, and we will see how it will be. It is just for fun. This session, it is just for fun. Yes, it is also sketched with colors, and but it's really just watercolors, real watercolors. And I found this exercise, this session, this exercise very helpful because it could be very helpful for your for develop your imagination and develop different things. So here in this stage you can see after drawing my watercolors spots, kind of spots, I try to add with simple a pencil to add some details and to make up some fantasy creatures. It was good just for fun, and I found it's really nice, and maybe some of these creatures I would use to my story, maybe, who knows. And but for now, for example, this creature, it's very awful. It's strange, very strange. And this one, like cost, like another one with small eyes, and also just for fun. And it was just interesting to develop and to make some interesting creatures with very random spots of watercolors. So this is the second one, and we'll start another one. I'm starting another one, and of course it was actually so cute to do and to feel free to just to draw nonsense. And actually feeling of freedom, it is very important to artists, and think, and don't think how people I don't know, relate to your art. Just make it, just feel free to draw whatever you want to draw. That's it. And okay, I found it's quite nice, and this strange creature, and we will see how I will manage all this. His feet. It is his strange feet and tiny belly, and really strange creature. I don't know why I created, and but it's just for fun again. And to feel free to add legs, and to add feet, and to add facial expression, and to think about I don't know, expressive eyes, and it is good. But for this reason, you need to be really free and to feel free to add nonsense, just to draw nonsense. Why not? So let's come to another one, and also it is very strange, and I don't know what's going on here. Actually, I just broke reality. It broke my realistic style, kind of, and allow to myself to make fun, to have fun with drawing, with breaking shapes, and add just silly to create silly creatures, and again, it is good for developing your imagination. Again, develop your imagination and to allow to yourself to make strange things. And who cares? And you can just allow to yourself to draw whatever you want. This shape was really, really, how can I say, challenging, because I can't find here something interesting, and but I create this strange creature. I don't know, it's half cat, half I don't know what, with a kind of needle in the head, in its head. Scary. A little bit scary creature. No, I try to add some white colors. It doesn't work because it is not suitable paper, and also it was quite bright to white pencil. To add some white strokes on my drawing, because it was too bright. Okay, another strange creature. I have no idea how it move, even how it move. It can move. I don't know, and but it was fun. Okay, last one. I think it started be kind of strange, very strange, witch kind of. And okay, this is the witch. Or maybe it is another creature. Who knows? The main idea of this session, just to, in this case, in this part, I just add some colors to my creatures, because I would like to get some finished look to this to these creatures, because I found it is fun and it's good. Again, I was a little bit sad, because it is not good paper for watercolors. Okay, next time I will be more clever. But for now, for this stage, I think it is a little bit too much. I don't need to add some details to these creatures, because it is the point of this exercise to stay and to leave it in quite sketchy stage, and it was enough. But I tried to add some details, because it was interesting to add some finishing a look to my to my drawing, to this silly drawing. Okay, in this case, of course I'm working on my Sprig, and I add some details and some colors to his outfit, because I need to think deeper about his story, and also about his outfit and his look. Sometimes he can get down his head, and it is not attached to his head, and his head, it's something different. It is another story. I will tell you maybe in my next session. Okay, and for now, I think my session is going to finish, and I just want to talk to you, and to add and to share with you my own experience, quite silly experience about. Just feel free to add some random shapes and convert them to some creatures, some cute creatures. And I think this experience was interesting, and just do it. Feel free to draw just something silly, something for you, something for develop your imagination and your fantasy ability, and your ability to imagine different silly things. And that's it. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you for being here. Keep sketching. It doesn't matter. It could be in watercolors. It could be in simple graphite pencil, and it could be digitally. It doesn't matter. Just keep drawing and develop your art. And that's it. Because it is fun. It is good. It is... just do it for yourself. And for now, I'm just would like just to share a little process, a short process of creating. I'm thinking about my character design and about Sprig, and I think about tiny details and how can I create his outfit with from natural, I don't know, natural stuff. And of course, I continue to work on it. And my next sessions, I will share with you his story more deeply. But for now, it is. That's it for this session, because it was just about freedom, about allow to yourself to create nonsense. That's it.